Again, this time it will be a very short movie about esoteric HiFi. So, snake oil, and snake oil once again. This table is so dirty. Okay, so, I guess you've probably all heard about the isolators, about the vibration dampening pads and different types of pads or legs or feet, they're called differently, for your amplifiers, digital to analog converters, speakers and other hi-fi stuff. So, the first thing you'll probably ask me is, do these work? And I will probably say, yes, these work. They put your equipment a bit higher, so you have some room underneath with ventilation. But jokes aside, for the sound quality, I'd say that yes, they do work. They give usually they give a kind of additional clarity in the top treble region, in my experience, but the difference is absolutely minimal. It's there, but the difference is once again absolutely minimal. So these are the type of the cone to point feed, and this particular type will set you back about $20. It's made from solid aluminum with rubber mats on top and the bottom. So I had to power off the amplifier because there are some cables burning in the background and they were making noises. So, $20 for a set, solid aluminum with rubber mats underneath and on top of it. They do change the sound, but for the price, I would probably say that you should think about cables, or power cable, or speaker cables, or something like that. Or maybe invest all this money into, maybe not the new amplifier, but towards the new amplifier, because you know, a set of feet, anti-vibration feet under digital to analog converter, under your amplifier, maybe two amplifiers if you're using monoblocks. So in total it will be not 20 but 40, 80, maybe $100, something like that. So just a short video. There is a very nice review. If I'll find that link, I'll put it in the description. There is a very nice review by some guy I found on the web that compared different types of anti-vibration feet, because there are different types. One of the types are this with cone, and the other type uses steel or ceramic balls to dampen the vibrations. Well, I don't have the professional equipment for measuring vibrations, so I was using my fist, as you can see the screen shaking, and when I had the amplifier on those feet, I was just hitting the floor near and checking if the top of the amplifier vibrates with the feet and without them. And this actually kind of works, because with these there were almost no vibrations at the top. So that was the digression. Once again, there was a nice review comparing different types of this anti-vibration feet, or isolation pads, as they are sometimes called. And the two best of the types are the cone ones and the ball ones. They are also ones that are using some small springs, all of the different ideas. Many different types on the market. But the cone ones and the ball ones were among the best. So the idea is that you don't necessarily have to buy, I don't know, isoacoustic ones for hundreds of dollars, because the physics is the same for all manufacturers and the physics is the same for all of us. So as long as you'll have the same type of construction, the same basic principle, like in here cone, it will work the same way. So $20 instead of $200. And that's it. Do I recommend them? If you have some money to burn, and if your system will not be able to get any other type of upgrade, why not? They look nice, they improve ventilation, that's one thing for sure. And yes, they do improve the sound, but in a very, very small way. I also have a set of ceramic ones, so expect another video on esoteric fit on the ceramic ones. So have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed this small video, and see you next time.